Did you encounter slow performance, update issues, or security problems while using WordPress? You are not alone. Moving to a headless CMS can solve these issues. In this video, I explain you how. What is the difference between WordPress and a headless CMS? Both WordPress and a headless CMS are types of content management systems, commonly known as CMS. However, the way the data is stored is different in both systems. WordPress is a traditional CMS that uses a database to store the content and a front-end to display it. A headless CMS, on the other hand, is the type of CMS that uses an API to store and manage content, which means there is no front-end website to display it. Decoupling the front-end from the back-end allows developers to use the content from a headless CMS in different applications and platforms instead of one website. Which issues are solved by replacing WordPress with a headless CMS? 4 typical problems occur while using WordPress, which can be solved using a headless CMS. Number 1. Security problems. WordPress is often self-hosted, which means you have to take care of its security. The WordPress admin panel is part of the website, which means everyone can access the login page. Also, input fields and forms provided by plugins are vulnerable for SQL attacks. A headless CMS like Storyblok is not self-hosted. This means you don't have to worry about setting up and maintaining the software yourself. Number 2. Update issues. If you have ever worked with WordPress, you know that updates are required often. While these updates improve security, they can also cause problems. For example, a specific plugin may not work with the latest WordPress version and break the website. A headless CMS like Storyblok takes care of all security internally and doesn't require any manual updates from you, so you don't have to worry about breaking your website with updates. Number 3. Slow performance. There are several reasons why WordPress websites are often slow. First, plugins are always loaded, even if they are not used. Second, plugins add unnecessary files and fetch unused data. Third, a PHP server is always active, even if it's cached. Fourth, WordPress is not serverless by itself, although it can be set up that way. Fifth, WordPress often runs on an outdated PHP version, which can be difficult to update with an existing hosting configuration. With a Jamstack website using a headless CMS, the developer can create their front-end using modern, high-performance frameworks like Nuxt.js or Next.js. Number 4. Your content can only be shown on your website. Suppose you want to display your content in an Android app, an iOS app, and on your website. With a monolithic CMS like WordPress, you can only display your content in one channel. In this case, the website. But with a headless CMS, you can connect your content not only to a website, but also to your phone, smart TV, or watch. Today, we learned the differences between WordPress and a headless CMS like Storyblok. By moving to a headless CMS, we can solve several issues, including security problems, update issues, and slow performance. Also, a headless CMS allows developers to use the content in different channels. If you want to learn more about headless CMS and how it can benefit your project, be sure to watch the video of Andy, where he explains in detail what a headless CMS is and how it can help you with omnichannel marketing.